This video is presented to you by Canadian Gundam. $10 flat rate shipping from coast to Canadian coast. Now also shipping to the United States.
Hello everybody, it's Chris from the Gunpla Network, and it's time for your Gunpla Network news for April 15th, 2018. We have a lot of kits to go through, so let's get started. First up, we have the HGAC 1144 Leo. This kit has a release date of May of 2018 for a price of 1,080 yen. Next up, we have a Mobile Suit Gundam 00 First Season MS set in the clear color. This will be released April 14th of 2018 with a price of 7,128 yen. We have another HGUC 1144, the RX-79 ground type. This will be released April of 2018 with a price of 1,700 yen. Next up, we have another high-grade kit. It's 1144 Gundam FSD. This will be released April of 2018 with a price of 2376 yen. Next up, we have a RG kit. It's a 1144 Tallgeese EW. This is already released April 2018 and will retail for 2,500 yen. Now we have a Master Grade 1100 Crossbone X1 Full Cloth Extra. This one is a Gundam-based Tokyo Limited Edition. This will be released July 7th, 2018 with a price of 8,100 yen. And now it's time for the top 5 kits of the week. In 5th place, we have Scott Tiller and his HG Power GM. In 4th place, we have Joseph M. Mims and his Camo Reborn Mark III. In 3rd place, we have Le Hong Kwang and his MJ Estrella Avalanche. In second place, we have Travis McFadden and his EFSF mining operation. And in first place, we have our very own Miguel Armando Espladon and his Master Grade Gogo Camphor version Char. Next up, we have the Gunpla Network News. This week, we have a review of the HGUC 1144 Jagdoga. We also review the MG 1100 Strike Noir. We have a first look at the MG Phoenix. And we also do an unboxing of the 1144 Atlas gun. That's it for the Gunpla Network news for the week of April 15th. Please comment, like, and subscribe on our YouTube videos, and have a great time building Gunpla.